Jambo la mwisho ni hii maneno ambayo walimu sasa wanaambiwa ati kodi ya shule iwekwe kwa kikapu kimoja. Kikapu chenyewe kimetoboka. Wanafuja mali ya umma, wanataka sasa hata karo ya shule iwekwe kwa hiyo kikapu ambayo imetoboka. In English, there is a principle in our constitution. It is called the principle of subsidiarity. That the people who are involved in delivery of services or policy formulation at the lowest levels must be involved in any decision. Heads of schools are saying they have not been consulted. The education stakeholders have not been consulted. President Ruto, we shall come for you if you force principals to go into one portal which already has leakages. We shall come for you and we shall demand that you demonstrate that there was public participation and that the people involved in that sector have been requested or have been involved in coming up with that directive. Mimi nikimalizia, ningependa kanisa takatifu ya Adventista.
We are saying with one voice that you as a president umetutesa ule mwaka ambao ulipita yote. Sasa hii mwaka ni shetani gani ambayo imekuingilia tena uanze kuambia watu wetu kwamba they don't have school fee to pay and are telling them to go and pay school fee online. Walipe 50 bob per transaction. Tukipiga hiyo hesabu rahisi sana, in one transaction among 400 million people, already you want to count them another 200 million. Let parents pay school fee to the schools where they are used to paying. They don't have another 50 bob to save to give you Ruto so that you can steal it and go and campaign with it and buy our people in 2027. We will stop you by all means possible, and may the spirit of the mzee here give us the strength to continue fighting for the people of Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Senator Okech ni kijana mdogo lakini anatoa maneno kweli. Asante sana Senator kwa yale maneno umezungumza. Sasa nataka nimuite Senator Mosi, kwa sababu hatutaki kuongezea mzigo wananchi. So kama hata sikia, tutafanya ile tunafanya kila siku, tutaenda kotini na tutapinga maneno ya kuongezea wazazi kodi. Our DG